Extension square root 6, non-calculator practice. Example 1. What is the square root of 3 over 12 expressed as a decimal? Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So take the square root of 3 over 12. 3 or 12 are not perfect squares. If the numerator or denominator are not perfect squares, try reducing the fraction. Both 3 and 12 can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now we have the square root of 1 over 4. The square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 4 is 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. As a decimal, 1 over 2 will be 0.5. Example 2. What is the square root of 2 over 18 expressed as a decimal? Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Take the square root of 2 over 18. 2 or 18 are not perfect squares. If the numerator or denominator are not perfect squares, try reducing the fraction. Both 2 and 18 are even numbers, so we'll divide both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. So now we'll try finding the square root of 1 over 9. The square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 9 is 3. As a fraction, this is 1 over 3. Now I'll write this as a decimal. 1 over 3 is 0.3 repeating, but we have to round the answer to the nearest tenth. So 0.3 repeating to the nearest tenth will just be 0.3.